beautiful. Wow. I love it.
ちょっと何してるの？手伝って雪かき。
こんにちは。
We are Gateway Nippon.
I'm from India, a relatively warm place.
I'm from Japan that has a lot of snow in winter.
And I moved here 5 years ago.
Today we will show you how we survive through winter.
Let's explore. Let's check the time. Oh, it's already 11. I need to go get some milk. Oh, it's cold today. Wearing so much clothes.
Where are you going?
To get some milk.
In those shoes?
What's wrong?
You should wear something like this. In winter, the roads get slippery and frozen, so you should wear shoes that are specially made for winter. You never reach the destination in that way.
Then teach me.
You are putting your arms in your pocket. Put them out to get good balance. You should walk like this.
Oh, I see. Let me try. Oh, what's this?
Oh, you can find this kind of ditches in the countryside of Japan. This is for putting away snow after you shovel. In snowy areas in Japan, we have snow removal trucks but only for main roads. It is normal to see your car completely with snow like this. This time we took 1 hour to remove snow to drive our car.
So in this type of weather, if you feel like having something warm and it's too snowy to go to some far off restaurant or cafe, don't worry, these vending machines are here to help you. So according to the seasons, these vending machines change whether they sell only cold drinks or mix some hot drinks as well. As you can see, we have hot drinks over here. Maybe this one. You tap a button and here it is. Oh, it's so warm. It's quite hot, so good for your chilly hands.
That's all for today's vlog. Hope you guys enjoyed it.
And if you enjoyed it, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. It really helps. And
See you in the next one.
bye.
Bye.